you're never going to be a good Jew. Simply said, the Chachamim say, if you don't learn halachot Shabbat, you're definitely violating Shabbat. It's not a question of if you're violating Shabbat. You're definitely violating Shabbat. Somebody asked me today, listen, what about this problem with that we have where there's Goy Shabbat? I said, what do you mean Goy Shabbat? And he says, no, well, you have a Goy that works for a Jewish organization, you tell him what to do. I said, you're not allowed to tell him what to do. He goes, what do you mean? Everybody tells him what to do. I said, what do you mean you tell him what to do? What do you tell him what to do? You tell him to turn on the light? He says, yes. I said, you're not allowed to. He goes, what do you mean? But the entire community is doing it. I said, well, Torah says you're not allowed to tell a Goy to do something that you're not allowed to do. So he says, so what's a Goy Shabbat? I said, the Goy Shabbat that works for you, he's turning on the light for himself. He walks into the building and he decides he wants to see, so he turns on the light. Not because some Jew told him, please turn on the light. If the Jew tells him to turn on the light, in Shamayim it counts like the Jew turned on the light. The Jew is considered a Mechalel Shabbat. He goes, nobody knows this. I said, well, that's because they don't learn halachot Shabbat. So it's very important to know that before you tell somebody what to do, if he's Jewish, if he's not Jewish, you should know if you are not allowed to do it, you're also not allowed to tell somebody else to do it. This is very simple way that people that are religious are actually violating Shabbat right now. Because they don't know this stuff, because they don't study it. So learning Torah, Rabotai, is very important. Every Jew has to do it. There's no exceptions. Doesn't matter if you donate $1 billion a day to yeshivot, you still have to learn Torah. Because without learning Torah, you're never going to know. You're never going to know how to be a good Jew.